Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the given problem from Boolean algebra. List the truth table of the given function. Let us start with the A bit. The given Boolean function is f equal to xy plus y dash z. Here three variables we have. Okay, three input variables. F is the output. We have to develop the truth table for the given expression. Okay, now let us draw the truth table. This is the truth table. The input variables are x, y, and z. Okay, the output variable is f. In between, we have to develop the each and every product term. Okay, now we should take the y dash value. Later, we should write the xy term, xy dash term, and y dash z term. Okay, y dash. Next, the term is xy. Next, xy dash. This is y dash z. Totally, f equal to the r-ing of all these terms. Okay. Now, x, y, z means three variables, so that the total binary combinations are 8 combinations. Okay, 2 power 3 combinations. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, y dash means the complement of y values. Okay, so it is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Next to xy. Xy means AND gate of x and y. Okay, product term x and y. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. AND gate operation is when both inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. Any input is 0, the output is 0. Okay, based on that, here this is 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 1, 1, because here both are 1s. Okay, next x y dash. X y dash means we have to see x and y dash. Therefore, 0, 1 means this is 0. Again 0. Here 4 zeros, automatically all the 4 values should be 0. Next 4 ones. But in y dash we have here only 2 ones. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1. Remaining 2 values are zeros because here 2 zeros we have. Okay, next y dash z. Y dash z means we should focus on z and y dash. Okay, so the AND gate operation again. This is 0. Here both ones. Therefore, output is 1. Here zeros. This is 0. This is again 0. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. F means the r-ing of all these values. If at least one input is 1, the output is 1. Therefore, here 3 zeros, 0. Here 0, 0, 1 means its value is 1. Again 0, 0. Here it is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is the truth table for the given A bit. Similarly, we should develop the truth table for B bit. B bit is, we should be read as f equal to bc plus a dash c dash. Okay. Now here again 3 input variables a, b, c, and the output variable is f. Now we should develop the truth table. Now here a, b, c are inputs. First we should find the value of a dash and c dash. We should find the bc product value, then a dash, c dash. Finally we should find the f. Here 3 inputs we have, therefore 8 combinations we should take 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. A dash means complement of A. Okay, zeros are replaced with 1, ones are replaced with zeros. Therefore 4 ones, 4 zeros. Similarly C dash, C should be complemented. Therefore 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we should find the BC value. We have to focus on B and C. Both inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. Okay. In this case and in this case only we have both ones. So here 1, here 1. Okay, the remaining all are zeros only. Next one, A dash, C dash. So A dash, C dash means adding up these 2 variables. So here both are 1s, therefore it is 1. Here it is 0. Again 1, 0. This is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, F means r-ing of these 2 terms. If at least one input is 1, the output is 1. Okay, this is 1, this is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Truth table for the second bit. Okay, thank you.